Very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the lens, as we have some topic that is going to be remained with this lens. So we are going to discuss about the lens. Now what is lens? That is your transparent material that having the two refracting surfaces, out of which one at least should be curved. As we have discussed that there are the two kind of lens, that is your concave lens as well as your convex lens. So basically these things you know very well. Okay, so my aim is to discuss your lens maker formula. What kind of formula? Lens maker formula. Okay, now in the case of lens maker formula, it is for firstly we will discuss about the convex and then we will discuss about the concave. So how the diagram will be there? This is your convex lens, this is your optical center. Okay, here the pole P1 and the P2. Why the two? Because there has the two refracting surfaces x P1 y and x P2 y, right? Now the object is point object. Okay, this is your normal of this having the refractive index n1, this is n2, this is again n1, right? Now as the light is incident over here, a point is there, name it as A. Okay, now what happened? Because the light goes from rarer to denser, the normal should be made. So the center of the curvature of the first surface lies here, and here the normal is going to be made. The normal is like this, right? And it will bend towards the normal like this. This is the point B. Now as it reaches the second surface, the second normal would be made by the second center of curvature, that is like this. Okay, now here this ray will form the image firstly I1. Okay, now this is the image of the first surface xp1y, and this image will act as an object for the second surface and it forms the further image, that is your I. Here this is your final image here. Okay, so basically we have a two kind of refractive index, that is one is n1 and another one is your n2. Okay, c1 and c2 are the two center of curvature. Okay, and when the refraction is taking from the first surface, that is xp1y, then the object is in rarer medium. So because object is in rarer medium, so how we will write object is in rarer medium? So we know the result of this case, that when the object is in rarer medium, the direct formula is going to be used, that is your minus n1 upon u plus n2 upon v1 is equals to n2 minus n1 upon r1, right? Okay, now r1 is c1 to p1. Okay, now the second refraction is going to be take place from the second surface, that is your x p2 and y, that is here somewhere x p2 y. Okay, so here the object lies in the rarer medium because the ray is AB. Okay, so here I1 act as an object. Firstly important thing is this I1 is acting as an object. So the formula is minus n2 upon v1. Why v1? Because in this case I1 is acting as an object, plus n1 upon v is equals to n1 minus n2 upon r2. Give it equation number 2. Okay, now in this case you have to use nothing, you have to just make it common. Here in the first equation n2 minus n1 is there, but here n1 minus n2, so you have to take the negative sign as common from here. Okay, so what it is, minus of n2 upon v1 plus n1 upon v is equals to minus of n2 minus n1 upon r2. Give it equation number second. Now this is not the second one, right? Now add first or second. So what you have, that is minus n1 upon u plus n2 upon v1 minus n2 upon v1 plus n1 upon v is equals to, now this is the right hand sides are common in both the case, n2 minus n1 is common, so take it out. That is n2 minus n1 is going to be taken out, so it will remain as 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. Okay, now this is going to be cancelled out and you will remain with minus n1 upon u plus n1 upon v is equals to n2 minus n1 1 over r1 minus 1 over r2. Right, now what to have to do, you have to take n1 common from here, so you will remain with minus u plus 1 upon v is equals to 1 upon n1 goes in denominator. Now from this you have to take the n1 common also, so if you are going to take n1 common here, it will remain as n2 upon n1 minus 1, and this is 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. Right, this is going to be cutted out, but you know very well that n2 upon n1 can be written as n also. So you have minus 1 upon u plus 1 upon v is equals to n minus 1, that is 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. Okay, now this is the formula what you have. Okay, now if the object is at infinity, that means u is at infinity, so obviously the image is formed at focus. So you just put the value minus 1 upon minus of infinity, because it is the object distance here, plus 1 upon f is equals to n minus 1 over 1 over r1 minus 1 over r2. So 1 upon infinity is 0, so we will remain with 1 upon 1 n minus 1 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. This is called लेंस मेकर फॉर्मूला, इसी को लेंस मेकर फॉर्मूला बोलते हैं, and here it is for convex lens. Okay, similarly we will calculate it for the concave lens also. So in order to calculate it for concave lens, let's see the things. Okay, first of all, for concave lens, what you are going to calculate, that is your lens maker formula. Okay, in the case of convex lens, the diagram is concave lens, the diagram is like this. Okay, here again the two refracting surfaces will be there. This is x p1 y. Okay, y1 लिख लो. Okay, this is x1, this is x2 p2, and this is y2. Okay, now object is somewhere here. Okay, now as the object give the incident ray, what will happen, because it has a diverging nature, so it will diverge the ray in the direction somewhere like this, and again it will diverge the ray like this. Okay, now what happened, this is the point B, this is D, this is A, let's say. Okay, now what happened, the first refraction, the first surfaces from here, the image is going to be formed. Right, now it will extend the rays backward in order to see the image. So first image is I1, that is formed by the first surface, that is x1 p1 y. Okay, now this image will act as an object for the second surface, and the second surface will form the image again by the point B, that is your I. Now this is your final image. Okay, now anyone can say also that where is the center of curvature, so center of curvature somewhere lies here, and it makes the normal. No need to make such normal because it is not very much important. Now this one having refractive index n1. Okay, this one is again having the refractive index n2. Okay, and this one is n1. Right, now a refraction at the first surface, that is your x1 p1 y1. Okay, object is in rarer medium, you can see here object is in rarer medium, so the I1 image is formed here na? I1 image is formed, so the formula is minus n1 upon u plus n2 upon v1 is equals to n2 minus n1 upon r1. We are using direct formula from the previous one now. Now the second surface is refraction at x2 p2 y2. Okay, ray reflected along BD, you can see here ray reflected along BD appear to come to form image at I. So finally the virtual image is formed, and here I1 act as an object. Okay, I1 is object that present in, not in the rarer but in the denser. So the formula will change. Minus n2 v1 plus n1 upon v is equals to n1 minus n2 upon r2. So in order to make these same, what you have to do is you have to take the negative sign common from the right hand side. So we have, no need to write here, this is minus n2 and minus n1 upon r2. Give it equation number 2. In a similar manner, add 1 or 2. So that will equals to minus n1 upon u plus n2 upon v1 minus n2 upon v1 plus n1 upon v is equals to n2 minus n1 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. Right, now this will be going to be cancelled. Again, minus 1 upon u plus 1 upon v, that is n1 n1, it is n2 upon n1 minus of 1, so it is 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. This is going to be cancelled again. So the same formula is there, you can see. Okay, the same formula is going to be there. Okay, now minus 1 upon u plus 1 upon v is equals to n minus 1. Now why it is n? Because you can write it as n, you know it very well from the previous expression. Okay, now if the object is present at infinity, then the image is formed at focus. So what will you remain with? 1 upon f is equals to n minus 1, 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. So whether it is convex, whether it is concave, the lens maker formula is going to remain same for the both kind of object. Okay, so this is the lens maker formula that we are going to revise. Now next is your thin lens formula. What kind of formula? Thin lens formula. एक होता है लेंस मेकर फॉर्मूला, एक होता है थिन लेंस फॉर्मूला. तो थिन लेंस फॉर्मूला इज द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन थ्री थिंग्स, दैट इज 1 upon u plus 1 upon v is equals to 1 upon f, but the negative sign is used with the object distance specifically. Okay, so this is your lens maker formula. You have to derive it for the convex in the case when convex for real as well as for virtual, दोनों के लिए निकालना पड़ेगा. तो लेट्स सी कैसे करना है. दिस इज़ योर कन्वेक्स लेंस. ओके, हेयर दिस इज़ योर प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. ओके, दिस इज़ योर सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर ऑफ द, दिस इज़ ऑफ सेंटर यू कैन से. ओके, ऑप्टिकल सेंटर बोलते हैं अदरवाइज. हेयर द ऑब्जेक्ट इज़ नॉट द पॉइंट ऑब्जेक्ट, सो इट इज़ टेकन एज ए बी. ओके, incident ray goes parallel to the principal axis, will pass through focus obviously, so it will pass like this. Some of the rays will pass through the center of curvature and it forms the image somewhere here. Right, now this is your image A dash B dash. Okay, this is your focal length, this is your image distance, this is your object distance. Right, so here you will use the similarities of the triangle. You can see here the triangles are similar, A, B, C and A dash B dash C. So triangle A dash B dash C is similar to triangle A, B, C. So you know very well that when the two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides have the similar ratio. So in that manner we will write AB upon A dash B dash, AB A dash B dash is equals to CA will be equals to C dash is equals to CA will be equals to CA dash, this one. Okay, so CA dash, give it equation number 1. Again you have to find another triangle, that is your, this one is D point, let's say. Okay, CDF, you can see here CDF and A dash B dash F. So triangle is CDF is similar to triangle A dash B dash F. If they are similar, obviously their corresponding sides ratio are equal. So CD is equals to A dash B dash and CF upon F dash A, F A dash, sorry. Okay, so you can see the CD is equivalent to AB. So we can replace CD as well as by AB. So that is equals to AB upon A dash B dash is equals to CF upon F A dash. Give it equation number 2. Okay, now just compare 1 and 2. Compare 1 or 2, then what you have, that is left hand sides are equal, so right hand sides are also going to be equals. So CA upon CA dash, CF upon FA dash. FA dash can be written as, you can see in the diagram, this is your FA dash. So everything is going to be taken from center here. So CA dash minus CF will gives equals to FA dash. So CA dash minus CF. Okay, so you can put here, that is CA upon CA dash is equals to CF upon CA dash minus CF. Sign convention should be applied. What is CA? You just see from the diagram, CA will be equals to minus U. So you will write minus U here. CF will be equals to focal length. So that's why you will write CF as F. Okay, and CA dash is equals to the image distance. So that's why you will write here V. Okay, and CF though you have written. Okay, so from this you will use the formula in order to derive that. That is your what it is, that is minus U upon V is equals to F V minus F. Just multiply, cross multiplied here like this, minus UV plus UF is equals to VF, right? So dividing both sides by UVF. So what do you have? Minus UV upon UVF plus UF, that is UVF, is equals to VF, that is UVF. So VF is going to be cancelled, UFF, that is UV. So it will have minus 1 upon F plus 1 upon V is equals to 1 upon U, like this. Okay, this is the formula you have. So what does we have to write here? So we just take it in the right hand side and this one on the left hand side. Okay, we just shift to the left hand side, so it become minus 1 upon U plus 1 upon V is equals to 1 upon F. So this is nothing but it is your length formula, not maker, this is length formula. Now similarly we will calculate it for the virtual image. Okay, so for virtual image, let us make the diagram quickly. This is your lens, this is your center of curvature. Here the special case is there. Okay, here the object lies, let's say this is your BA, and here the rays goes like this. Incident ray goes parallel to the principal axis, passes through focus. So here it is the focus, and some of the light will also pass through the center of curvature. Now these rays are not going to meet at a single point. What you have to do is, you have to extend these rays in the backward direction. Let's say here, so here they meet, there they form the image, that is B dash over A dash. Okay, now what you have to do is, this is your U, this is your F, and this is your V. V and U is going to be negative because it is on the left hand side. Again, similarity of the triangle you have to use. Triangle A dash ABC is similar to triangle A dash B dash C. So AB upon A dash B dash is equals to CA upon CA dash, right? This is from the previous one, similar to the previous one. Again the triangle CDF is similar to triangle A dash B dash F. CDD is the point here, CDF is A dash B dash F. Okay, so CD upon A dash B dash CF upon that is A dash F. Okay, compare quickly with this. You can see CD is exactly equivalent to AB, so you can replace it by AB. Okay, so here you can write it as AB A dash B dash CF upon A dash F. Give it equation number 2, give it equation number 1. Compare 1 or 2. Again you have to compare. So what you have? You have that is CA upon CA dash is equals to CF upon A dash F. Okay, now what about the A dash F? From the diagram you have to see that is A dash, this is F, center lies between them, so A dash C plus CF. Okay, yes. So about A dash F, that is your CA dash plus CF, not minus here. Okay, so put the values, get the answer. CA upon CA dash is equals to CF CA dash plus CF. Use sign convention. CA will be equals to minus U. Okay, CA dash will be equals to minus V. CF is equals to plus F. Use the sign convention. So minus U minus V, this is F, this is CA dash is minus V plus F. Cancel. Cross multiply. Minus UV plus UF is equals to VF. So divide by UVF. Okay, just divided by UVF. Okay, so when you will divide here, minus UV upon UVF plus UF upon UVF, VF upon UVF, VF cut, UUFF is cut, UV is cut. Okay, so you will remain with minus 1 upon F plus 1 upon U is equals to 1 upon V. See, you just shift this one to here and this one to here, so it will become 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equals to 1 upon F. So this is your lens maker formula, lens formula for the convex lens. Now it's your homework to do concave lens formula. Okay, do it yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.